Getting started, we'll go ahead and pop this cover off. 2 tabs on it. I can show you once we take it loose that you need to release. You can either spread or just tug on it. A little bit of pressure will release it. Pivot that up, and then we'll go ahead and take our 10mm loose, applying a little bit of pressure on the wiper arm so it doesn't put too much force on the motor. Now that we have our 10mm nut off, we'll go ahead and take our wiper arm tool that we offer as an add-on with the wiper arm. And you want to go ahead and work it down underneath the base in between the grommet and the wiper arm, like so. Now let's go ahead and tighten down the puller. Shouldn't take a ton of pressure. Once you have the wiper arm tool on, go ahead and tighten down. Make sure the pin stays centered on the stud. You will feel it pop free up as you're tightening down, and your wiper arm will be able to be removed. Now that we have the wiper arm loose with the wiper arm tool, let's go ahead and lift this all off in one assembly. Our wiper blades normally ship as an assembly, but if by chance you do have them come in 2 separate pieces, it's literally line up into the slot, push in, locks down. If you need to remove it, go ahead and hold down the tab and slide it out. With our wiper arm as an assembly, we'll go ahead and line it back up. Go ahead and push down to initially seat the wiper arm in place, and then go ahead and take your 10mm nut and start that. Next thing we want to do is go ahead and tighten down our 10mm with our wiper arm lined up where you want it. And we will go ahead and put torque specs in place so you can fully seat it on the screen here in a second. With our wiper arm torqued in place, let's go ahead and put our cover back on, hear it clip in, and you're all set.